nothing worse than a door that's sticky. Have a look at this. Alright. Absolutely annoying. So, Serge from Chest Built is going to show us how to get that fixed.
Yeah, well, what we basically need to do to see why it's rubbing and where. So we inspect the door, and it looks like it's rubbing on this top corner. So we have to actually check it out and see why. We can check the hinge side out. We can see there's more of a gap on the top.
Ah, have a look at this, guys.
Yeah.
So that's actually evidence that the door is actually falling that way.
Falling that way, yeah.
Alright, so
there's two options. If that wasn't collapsed, then we'd have to plane the door with electric planer.
Yep.
But in this case, we won't do that yet. We'll try and fix the hinge to see if that works.
okay, well show us how, sir.
Okay, so the first step is we get a cordless drill. We take the screws out. When you get to the last screw, the door will drop. So just make sure you support the door. Okay, so now we're going to see why it looks like it's been tampered with before, but we can fix that easy enough. So what we need to do here is we get a chisel, a nice sharp chisel, and a hammer. In this case, it looks like they've put some material there, so we'll cut that out first with the Stanley knife. So what we do is we check this out to see where it's got to sit. So it's got to sit in there, so we mark it with a nice sharp pencil to where the hinge is going. And it does need a little bit of a check out, as we can see. So we go back to the chisel. So, go on our mark. Just give it a light tap. So when you've got a nice sharp chisel, you get it nice, you don't take chunks out. Okay, instead of taking too much off, what we'll do is we'll check it before we take any more, because maybe we might take too much off. But now if you just lift the door slowly. Okay, so now that the screws are back in, we can test the door to see if it closes or not.
Alright, let's have a look. This is the test.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. No more rubs.
Much better, see?
Job's done. Really easy. There you go.